Hi, I'm Dr. Rick Duplantis, the owner of Southern Liturgicals. We've been honored to serve the Church and the Catholic priests of America for over 30 years, because we believe that the Mass should be celebrated everywhere. And today, to foster that, we are bringing something that we've never had before, and that the Church has never had before. We are bringing the Southern Liturgical Global Deployment Mass Kit. This Mass Kit has everything that's needed to celebrate Mass. It's housed in a Pelican case made by the Pelican Company in the United States, the same people that provide protection in their Pelican cases for NASA, the United States military, for our first responders, and law enforcement. It's a very durable case in holding delicate instruments that cannot fail. The Mass Kit is crush-proof, it's waterproof, it can even float. It can be parachuted out of an airplane, it can be dropped on a battlefield or a battleship for its use. And it has wheels on one end, and it has a telescoping handle on the other end, several handles, so it can be maneuvered through an airport like standard luggage and be checked in like standard luggage. The Mass Kit, we'll open it and show you. So inside of the Mass Kit, I want to bring out the fact that we have a full-size chalice, not a travel chalice. This is a full-size Ciborium for communion. We have a full-size crucifix for the Mass, full-size candlesticks as well, that's shown here. Full-size candles that are used. We have the Roman Missal for the celebration of the Mass. We also have in the case a handheld daily Missal, which contains all the readings of the daily Mass. We also have a flask that contains wine for the Mass. It contains Cruets and a triple all stock, and a canister reaching out over here for altar bread. We'll place that here. Over 2 years ago, I sent an earlier type Mass Kit to Archbishop Timothy Broglio, the Archbishop of the military. And his remarks in a private note to me said that he had seen many Mass Kits, but felt this was the most elegant Mass Kit he's ever seen. Well, that statement meant the world to us, and I hope it means something to you for his statement about our Mass Kit. In this particular Mass Kit, I'm going to remove the Ciborium, going to remove the chalice behind me, crucifix on the altar back here, these components. This is just part of what's in the Mass Kit. And I want to speak to the compartments in the lid. We call this a lid organizer, and this is placed in it for vestments. It can contain the alb, the chasuble, the stoles. It can also contain altar linen. There are little bitty pockets here that can hold the altar linen, the chalice pall, the things that the priest will need to celebrate Mass with. And it's zipped back up for travel, so they say in a compartment they're designed for. We'll shut the lid. The cases can be personalized, and we want to thank Chaplain Tyler Harris of the United States Air Force, this chaplain, for his assistance in the construction of this Mass Kit. Thank you, Chaplain Tyler. This is a durable Mass Kit. It has TSA locks on it with keys that can go through and be checked without damaging the contents of the case or damaging the locks of the case itself. We've served the church for 30 years. Our biggest motto is, where art and beauty embrace the sacred. We have used artisans, the top goldsmiths, silversmiths in the world for the construction of what we carry at Southern Liturgicals. They serve the Holy See, the Vatican, and they are committed to serving the needs of the church as we are as well. This kit is used by priests, chaplains, pastors who want a complete Mass kit. If you're serious about a Mass kit and you're looking for a complete Mass kit, I want to talk to you. We believe that the Mass should be celebrated everywhere. I feel that I have put everything into this Mass kit that you will need to take the Mass everywhere you go. We have compartments to place your vestments, your chalice, your ciborium, all the things that you need to set up to celebrate Mass. You can even hold a small altar cloth. And we feel that we have covered everything needed for the worthy celebration of the Holy Sacrifice of the Mass. If you're interested in this Mass kit, you can check out our website at southernliturgicals.com. You can also call us at 337-456-5892. Call us today. We're happy to serve you as we've served the church and its priests for the past 30 years. God bless you.